Okay, newest addition to the inventory here is a 2008 Ford F150 Super Cab, 5.4 automatic, 4x4, 179K. As you can see, the thing was hit in the right front. Took out the right side suspension, fender, as you can see, the bumper, the hood, the grill, and all that nonsense. So you got a left side fog light, you got a left side headlight. Left side fender is routed down in the bottom. You got a set of hood hinges. Got a left side door. It's basically a work truck. It's power window, power locks, keyless entry. Rear door is no good. It's got some heavy damage, but you do got a left rear door glass and the window regulator. It is a power regulator setup. Okay, you got three 18-inch chrome cladding wheels with the caps. B grade all the way around. You got chrome steps left and right. Again, this is a Super Cab. Okay, here's your rear end. It's a 9.75 355 gear ratio. It is 3 leafs, 2 and a helper, 3, whatever you want to call it. Here's your back glass. It's privacy tint, manual center that moves. Okay, bed's no good. You got a left rear tail light. It's got a little bit of a chip right there on the inside, definitely usable. Rear carrier, tire carrier is there. You got the trailer hitch. Gate's no good. Bed's no good. Okay, you got the right rear door, power window, power locks. It's got about an hour cleanup on it. That's it on that. Okay, there's your right side running board. Okay, you got a right side seat, gray cloth. It's a bucket with the seat belt. Okay. Interior trim is PE, Peter Edward interior trim. There's your dashboard, two-tone gray, 5.4 automatic, 4x4, center console. Okay, this is a column shift, center console, roof console. You got left and right sun visors, just with mirrors. That's it. Nothing else. Radio's no good. It plays, but the glass is broke. Okay, so you got manual heating controls. Is your 4x4 dial. Okay. Right side door is no good. You got a door glass, outside door handle. Window regulator's been tested, it's all good. Show you underneath the hood here. Okay. Is your 5.4 Triton motor, 3 valve. Runs good. Nice running motor. Computer back there, last 3 on the computer is GAE. Washer bottle. Radiation looks good, radiator, condenser. The fan, all of that looks good. Power steering reservoir, master booster, radiator bottle, ABS unit down there below. Front differential is definitely good. 355s. You got a left side axle in the front. Okay, left side upper, lower, spindle, strut, rotor, caliper. Caliper on the right side lower looks like it could be good. We got to pull it to check. Okay, right side spindle, same thing, pull to check, 4x4 ABS. And that's pretty much it. We're going to go a little bit on the inside here. Steering column's no good. Had no keys, so we took it apart. Cluster's good. As far as the cluster's concerned, you got 179-308. Tack trip gauges, automatic, 5.4. Check the ID for the correct one. And that's pretty much it. Okay, left side seat track, 6-way power tested. Okay, manual recline. Get your window switches. All tested, all good. Sold both mirrors already, so we don't have them. And that's that. So again, one more time, we're going to do it over. We're going to do a 2008 Ford F150 Super Cab XLT, 5.4 Triton motor. Automatic transmission. This thing is been rebuilt. Really nice, really clean stuff, really clean fluid. I didn't tell you about that. Also, the front drive shaft's in good shape so far. Okay, rear drive shaft's no good. I did tell you this is 355, 9.75. That's it. So, 2008 F150, 4x4, 5.4 Triton motor, 179K, hitting the right front. You need any parts of this, you give us a call at 888-748-5924. Extra Molar Ray Curly. Glad to help you with parts of this or anything else you may need. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 1. We're closed on Sundays. Can't get us during business hours. You can get us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. If you like what you see and we helped you out, give us a good review. We'd appreciate it. Thank you. Ciao.